Hello, I'm Roy Kortenbach, founder of SlideClear. Thanks for taking the time to join us as we explore the next step in outdoor space, creating true all-season outdoor comfort. At SlideClear, we believe outdoor living should be functional, comfortable, durable, and usable year-round. Like all great design and architecture, we have to consider form and function. It's about longevity, usability, and intelligent designs that enhance how we experience these spaces. The challenge we have is that although we invest heavily in these spaces, they often remain seasonally limited, where they require high maintenance and are often underutilized. What's missing? Full protection and enclosure solutions. Because think about it, presently we're essentially building outdoor spaces with roofs, but no walls, leaving them vulnerable to the elements. At SlideClear, we specialize in operable outdoor walls and enclosure systems. They complete these designs by offering weather protection, which shields your space from the elements. They provide noise control, creating a quieter, more relaxing environment. They deliver effortless operation and low maintenance. They maintain unobstructed views and seamlessly integrate with the nature. And they have timeless durability, built to last for decades without compromise. For over 35 years, we've been designing, testing, and refining these systems to become an essential part of modern outdoor living. Join us in elevating outdoor living, and let's take the next step together, building outdoor spaces that truly provide all-season outdoor comfort. Thank you.